In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your workflow as a JSON file effortlessly. This is a crucial skill to have, especially if you're looking to back up your work or share it with others in an efficient way. Let's dive right into the process and ensure you feel confident every step of the way. To start off, you'll need to navigate to the top of your screen. I want you to locate the navigation bar that sits comfortably right at the top. This is your control center where you can initiate various actions. Now gently glide your eyes over to the upper right corner of this navigation bar. Here you'll find a symbol that might seem simple but holds quite a lot of power. It's the three dots icon. This icon often hides more advanced options, so it's worth remembering. Once you've spotted these three dots, go ahead and give them a click. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to multiple functions that you might need at some point during your workflow management. Today, however, our focus will be on one essential link in particular: download. Take a moment to scan the list and find this option. Keep in mind that the arrangement might differ slightly depending on updates or custom settings, but download should be prominently present. Now, once you've found and clicked download, something very interesting happens. The system goes to work and very conveniently creates a downloadable version of your workflow. This doesn't just magic up any type of file, no. It specifically provides you with a JSON file. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that's easy for humans to read and write, and simple for machines to parse and generate. This is extremely useful because it allows you to hold on to a comprehensive record of your workflow. After you've initiated the download, your computer will automatically save this JSON file, presenting it to you in your designated download folder or the location you have preset for such downloads. If you ever struggle to find it, just check this location. And remember, keeping your file names organized and descriptive can make retrieving them later a breeze. So, it might be a good idea to rename the file if necessary, ensuring you can quickly identify its contents and relevance at a glance. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully exported your current workflow as a JSON file. Whether you're storing this for future development, sharing with a team, or safeguarding your work against potential data losses, knowing how to execute this process is invaluable. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you find this tip as empowering as it is practical. Keep exploring and optimizing your workflow effortlessly.